Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to add watermark in Google Docs. So firstly open your Google Docs document, then click on insert and here you will see option watermark, click on it. Now you can add your watermark, so select image. You can select image by Google Drive, Photos, Google Images, by URL, camera or upload. So if you have in your PC, so select any image. So now you can use this image as watermark. In every page you will see this image automatically, and you can type anything here on this image. You can change scale like this. You can select faded and just click on done. So it's quick and easy way to add watermark in Google Docs, and if you want to remove, insert watermark and remove watermark. That's it. So thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.